is Neil Jones, and I'm with A Perfect Fit Alterations, 102 Main Street, Burleson, Texas, and our phone number is 817-447-3522. As we continue with the sewing machine here, the machine has a handle on the top which designates that it's a portable sewing machine. This handle is strong enough so it carries the weight of the machine and you won't be dropping it anywhere. And it is also what we call a free arm machine, which gives us a small area here so that we can get garments over the free arm part of it. To continue with the front, across the top of the machine we have different stitch patterns which correspond to both the feet that I showed you a minute or two ago and also to the picking of the pattern that you can see in a picture right here. Now, on the top we have a zigzag size control, and it has numbers and it has a slide, so that if you are in a zigzag, doing a zigzag on a machine, you can vary the size of the zigzag by sliding this back and forth. The next control down is a stitch length. Now this one also has numbers so that you can pull them back if you need to duplicate it, and it also has a little picture. This is a speed control on the next one down. Now the speed control enables you to push the foot control all the way down but limit the speed of the sewing machine to do specific items or patterns on the machine. As we're getting down to the bottom, we have a reverse handle. This handle is very important because when you come to the end of a row of sewing, you're able to push this button and the machine will then run backwards to lock down the stitching. Now that lever needs to be very convenient because when you're working with the machine, the reason it's so long is you go to grab it and it's right there for you. The next control is a needle position up or down. Certain types of sewing, if you come to a corner and you want to make a turn on a corner, you're able to push this button and the needle will stay down while you turn the fabric.